Before buying GROWNSY, there are a few key things you need to know. With so many competitors out there offering similar services, it's important to make an informed decision. And in this video, I'm going to break down what makes GROWNSY stand out and what you should be aware of. Stick around because I'll share exclusive tips to help you decide if this tool is truly worth it. Let's dive right in. First, GROWNSY offers a unique blend of features that target both small businesses and larger enterprises, providing a solid balance between ease of use and powerful tools. When you compare it to competitors, you'll see GROWNSY excels in its user interface, which is simple but packed with features. Other products can feel cluttered and complex, making it hard to actually get things done. But GROWNSY keeps things straightforward while still offering the versatility you need to grow your business efficiently. Next thing to consider is GROWNSY's pricing structure. Many other similar tools have a tiered pricing system that can become really expensive as you scale. GROWNSY, however, offers a more flexible pricing model that lets you tailor your plan to your needs. This makes it more accessible for businesses at any stage without breaking the bank. You'll find that it's a great alternative for those who feel like competitors are charging way too much for the same features. The third thing you should know is that GROWNSY provides excellent customer support. While many platforms promise top-tier support but fall short, GROWNSY excels here. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply need guidance on how to use a specific feature, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. You can reach out through multiple channels and typically get help quickly, which is a major plus when you're on a tight timeline. Another thing to keep in mind is the integrations GROWNSY offers. It seamlessly integrates with a wide range of popular tools, making it a much better choice than other products that limit you to a smaller selection. If you're already using other tools like CRM systems or email marketing software, GROWNSY's ability to integrate with these tools saves you a ton of time and effort. No need to switch platforms or go through complicated workarounds. The fifth thing is the scalability GROWNSY offers. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a growing team, this tool adapts to your needs. Other competitors may lock you into rigid plans that don't grow with your business, but GROWNSY adjusts to fit your evolving needs. This scalability gives you the flexibility to expand without outgrowing the tool. Another point is the reporting and analytics capabilities. GROWNSY does a great job of offering detailed insights without overwhelming you with unnecessary data. It provides clear and actionable reports that help you make informed decisions and fine-tune your strategy. Compared to competitors, whose reporting can be either too basic or too complicated, GROWNSY strikes the perfect balance. Finally, while GROWNSY is a great all-in-one tool, there are some areas where it could improve. For example, the mobile app could be a little more robust and feature-rich, especially when you're on the go. But that's a small drawback when you consider how effective the desktop version is. Many competitors still struggle with app functionality, so GROWNSY is definitely ahead of the game in that sense. Now, if you want to try out GROWNSY for yourself and see what all the fuss is about, you can get the best free trial offer through the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the full range of features, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits when you sign up today. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level with a tool that's flexible, powerful, and easy to use, click that link and get started with GROWNSY today.